Hey, what's going on, y'all? So, look, man, we are actually, all right, in a short right now. Uh, Still got some areas to fill here. I'm looking to fill the rest of this gap. I believe it's going to do. This is, we actually on the 15-minute chart. If I go to the 5, you probably can see it a little bit better, right? We still got this much of a gap to fill. So, I definitely believe we're going to do that. If you can see, I got my trading view set up, got my risk to reward. Looking for a 1-to-1, but pull that down just a little bit. Right there. I believe what we can get to. So we're gonna see how this can play out, man. We are up right now. 200, well, 196. It's ranging. But we working, man. This is my demo account. I will be trading from Sway Markets. I know y'all probably seen a few of my videos where I was using MetaTrader. But Sway is the way to go for sure. Just waiting on them to finish the mobile. The mobile is already ready for Android, but for its Apple iOS, they are still developing or going through the kinks. But they said should be soon within the next week or two. So definitely looking forward to that because I like to trade from my phone as well. But nothing like trading from a desktop or laptop. And so right now, man, we just letting this play out, man. It is a Friday. All right, we are trading the NAS 100. Now, listen, guys, I did say I'm going to London. All right, no doubt. But our New York session is Bay. Come on, man. And this is definitely, what I want to trade. I'm off on Friday, so, Friday is definitely be a day where I'll be looking to get in the market and looking for a nice setup. So, definitely loving what I'm seeing, man. We got a nice little head and shoulders going on right now as well. So, I'm definitely on the right side of money. I can tell y'all this, man, while we watching this play out. Learn this skill set, okay? And don't listen to the people that are telling you, yeah, you're wasting your time demo and jump right into a live. Yeah, that's what I heard way back, and lost thousands of dollars because of it. All right, if I could tell you anything, I would say, make sure that you, for one, get your demo account, right? I have a Sway Markets link up under here, man. You can set you a free demo account up and begin to learn. But for two, to get around the learning curve, man, get your mentor. Get somebody that got a course that's credible, that you believe caters to your style, your personality, your character, because all that plays a part, man. I've bought a few courses, and you know, you learn the basics, right? Because at the end of the day, to me, Forex is simple, but the nerve-wracking part, I think, was the hard part about it, and I think what most traders would say is the psychological part, the discipline that comes with trading, right? Being able to, stand some drawdown, right? Or being able to wait until your take profit get hit, all right? Or allowing your stop loss to get hit, okay? It's those type of variables that come into play that I would say, yeah, from that standpoint, trading is hard. But for the most part, like Forex, the X's and O's, once you learn the basics of Forex, man, you're really good to go. And once you can learn the language, what I mean by the language is these candlesticks are speaking, right? They're talking, right? These are like, uh, let's just say, for instance, you're learning a foreign language, right? If you see those for the first time, you see those foreign language letters in front of you, it's foreign. You don't know what it's saying. But once you learn the letters, right, you're able to see exactly whatever you're reading is saying to you. It's the same with the Forex market, right? Once you're able to, learn what these candlesticks are saying, you learn the language, it's up, right? Only reason I'm demoing right now, for one, I want to document my journey. It was basically like me starting from ground zero. This is year 4, and I believe I finally got it, right? I purchased a course that really, really, really took my trading game to the next level. It was that missing piece I was missing, because I've had profitable, I would say, weeks, right? I'm not even going to exaggerate. I've had profitable weeks in the Forex market. I've been able to withdraw money, but if I'm being honest, my losses exceed my wins. And so I was like, man, I got to figure this out. I wasn't going to give up because of the possibilities, because of, YouTube and you being able to see some of these traders really kick butt and take names. And for me, man, I had to get it, Right, I had to get. I apologize. That's the alarm going off. But yeah, I wasn't for to sit here and miss out. I wasn't for to sit here and miss out on the on what's going on right now, y'all. Like, it's too much money to be made, and so I just had to figure it out. But what I wasn't for to do is keep losing all my money. So this time around, right now, y'all, I'm demoing. I know that lot sizes matter, right? And so I told my wife, we're gonna start with a larger account, because some of these videos will get you. You seeing people flip $20 to $1,000, $20 to $2,000, right? People starting with $10 and flipping it. And so you run with that philosophy, like, you know what, I'm gonna try to flip my account. You know what I'm saying? And it's hard work, because you really, really, really have to live with the small wins, right? You gotta really, 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 compound to get up to some real money. And so for me, I know if we can start with these $2,000 or better, we can make some noise. And for a lot of some of the big traders might see this and say that ain't no money either. But if you're a beginner, or if you don't really have a lot of capital, $2,000 to $5,000 is some good money, right, to trade with. And so that's what we're gonna start my wife's account with, right? I'm married with 7 kids, so it's not like I can just throw a lot of money on there, right? I do have other streams of income, right? I'm in affiliate marketing, so we're gonna fund her account and mine. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a prop firm challenge. I'm letting all the kinks fill out with this new prop firm first, and then that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. So right now you're seeing we up $800. So we getting there. You seeing this bad boy play out, man. Let's go to my trading view real quick, because I'm talking to y'all. And so it's looking pretty good, y'all. I do believe it's going to continue to drop a little bit further. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause this video. I don't want it to be too long, but we're gonna let it play out, and I'll get back with y'all in here in just a second. All right, y'all. So it look like we're taking the L on this one, man. I'm probably about to get ready to close it. As I look, this was really opportunity for a demand setup. Had I been patient. Let me show you real quick. So definitely went out my stop loss, but I was really trying to wait. So I kept seeing those rejection candles when it kept wicking out. So I'm just saying, okay, we're gonna go down. But it finally broke through. We still got a few hours left. You know what I'm saying? That's when it's good to have some money on your account. If you can withstand it, do it. But it's not smart, man. You'll blow your account this way. Because I've done it several times over. But the beautiful thing about demo is, man, it's for your learning, right? And so let me draw something up real quick so I can show you. Get this block real quick. I need to hold on 1 second. Yeah. So if you see from, let me just bring that over. This is definitely a beautiful demand setup that we could have caught. Calm down. About right up in there, y'all. This is the first demand push. Came down, tapped right back into it, went up. Tapped right back into it, went up. All right, and so definitely, what I should have been waiting for was the demand for is this gap being filled. It's still going to get filled, y'all. Believe it or not, right? It's still going to get filled. Doesn't mean it's going to get filled on the same day. All right, so we come in Sunday and you line have a big old drop, and it's possible that it could still happen today. It's 1:12 right now on a Saturday, so you got literally about another 3 hours before the market is completely closed. I'm thinking it's probably going to slowly but surely push for the rest of the day. So I'm about to get ready to go ahead and close these trades. I'm letting it get up to about right here and go and close it out. Had this been a live account, definitely wouldn't have waited this long to go and close it. But like I said, I was just testing the waters. When you demoing, this is a good way for you to practice and just see how the market's going to move, how it's going to operate. You know what I'm saying? What would have happened had I stayed longer? What would have happened had I got out? Type stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's all part of the process. But it's learning. It's learning. So as I'm sitting here looking, definitely possibilities for some demand setups, which I pretty much got it twice, and I could have hit a quick 1-to-1 on each one. So with that being said, y'all, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take our L's for the day, but it's not losses, it's lessons. All right, y'all remember that, man. So love y'all, man. Happy trading. I'm going to take y'all along this journey with me. Wins, losses, all the way to the top, man. I'm trying to be one of the most transparent and realest traders, in the YouTube community. There's a few out there, but it's a lot of people that fabricate, man. They only want to show you the good, and it's just not reality, man. You got to show the real, man. The good, the bad, the ugly, the ups, the downs, the in between. You feel what I'm saying? So see y'all on the next video, man. I'm excited. I'm ready, man. Come February, we should be fully functional, live on our live accounts, and back in these markets, man. Come to take their head off. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned. Hey, where y'all going, man? Hold on, look, we back, all right. So, I stayed in, right? I know I said I was going to get out, right? I had pushed stop on my video, but I left my market open, right? Because I seen something, so I said, let me just play it out, right? And so, I seen this key level, right? And so, I don't know, when we got out the video, we was somewhere up in here, right? And I got off. But it hit this key level and rejected. And then this candle, when I seen how it closed, I said, okay, we good. And so I stayed on in, y'all. Now, I left the computer, man. This actually had put me back in profit right here. All right. I'm not going to get there now, right? The market about to close literally in 4 minutes. But, hey, man, we done got back over $1,000. Over $1,000, right? So we're going to go and close this out, right? This is a loss that I can definitely live with. All right. We live to trade another day. So the beautiful thing about having money in your account, right? Hold on, y'all. It might not even let me close. And if you don't let me close, then we gotta stick in it, right? The instrument now is currently off trading hours. Please try again. Wow, so I gotta stick in this bad boy until next week, right? Until Sunday. So we good. Hopefully that so that's another valuable learning lesson, right? You want to get out your trades before closing hours, literally. So I would say like an hour before you want to be done close all trades, unless you have something that you're gonna swing it on into the next week, which I truly believe. Now that it didn't close, it may work out for our good. We see Sunday we get in this bad boy, we might be in profit. So we'll check back. But in the meantime, between the time, y'all, this was a valuable lesson. Like I said, let's just go back here real quick and we'll get off of here. Y'all see these key levels, man. Got up here rejected. Right? And so these were some beautiful demand setups. Because if you see, I got this demand setup right here. I drew this up when I got off the phone. When I got off the last recording with you guys. And drew this demand zone. As you see, it shot up, came down, touched it, shot up, came down, tapped it again, shot up. All right, and so those were definitely some great demand entries, some quick 1-to-1s that I could have hit and ate off of, you know what I'm saying, that I missed. But this is why you stay in these markets every single day and you learn and learn and learn and learn and learn, man. I've been in these bad boys all day, just learning the heartbeat, all right, of the markets, right? Now I want to know the rhythm of its pulse. You understand me? So yeah, man, y'all keep paying attention, man. Y'all keep locking in. And y'all keep documenting y'all journey. For all you traders that scared out there, y'all just getting started, y'all scared that, man, listen, this is the way you document. I'm going to be able to come back to this stuff and smile and laugh, right? Because, now I'm, making 5 figures in a day. You know what I'm saying? 5 figures in a week, 6 figures in a week. Keep watching, man. I'm enjoying this, man. I really, really, really love trading. So, I'm going to do a whole lot of back testing, man. This is where the real work starts, Friday, Saturday. All right, and then beginning of Sunday, you back test, see where you went wrong, see where you went right? And go back test and learn, man, from your mistakes and learn from what you did right and bring it into the markets next week, because the next week the market gonna bring on some more challenges. But from what I've seen, the market always repeat itself. So, man, once you get the skill set down, get the basics down, man, you can write your own check. All right, now I'm officially gone for real, man. See y'all on the next video. It's your boy.